All the way over?
Why?
So I can have it all on video.
Hi.
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 We are going to do the 4 minutes Let It Go. So you have to be quiet so she can sing. Well, if you do all this rowdy stuff, you might have to do the 4 minutes. Listen very carefully. So we are going to 4 minutes Let It Go.
Okay.
For the day we have done for the day.
Mm-hmm.
We are going to start by my kid named Sophia, and she knows Frozen. She has seen it before. So you guys have to watch the 4 minutes. Let it go.
Okay.
Quiet.